In this video, I'm going to show you how to create new users for your MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or other Mac devices. We're going to open up our system settings. And when you normally log into your Mac device, you're logged in from your account using your own personal credentials. Now, say you have a MacBook Air like I do, and you want someone else to use this, but you don't want to give them your personal credentials, and maybe you don't want them to have admin privileges. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a user that does not have admin credentials here. To do that, we are in our system settings, and you're going to scroll down to users and groups. Alternatively, you can come here and say users and groups, and that'll show up here. It gives you your options. So currently it has my user account that is admin, and it has a guest user, which is off. So we're going to go ahead and create a user by clicking add user. I have to type my password. All right, so once I've entered my credentials, now I can create this new user. We can look at the different types of new users they'll allow us to have. It will be an administrator, standard, or sharing only. I'm going to go with standard for now. We're just going to call this a test user. And so we can have a full name here, right? So test user, account name, test. Password is required. So we'll create a password for it. Verify that password. And that's it. We can hit create user. Looks like it's adding it, and it has added this test user with standard privileges. So now you'll be able to log in to this test user with that password that you created, and they won't have to have your password, and they won't have admin privileges. So I hope this video was valuable to you. If you liked it, please give me a like and subscribe, and follow along for more videos.